Rust never sleeps, but your greasing schedule can stop it in its tracks. Proper lubrication of ship deck machinery is essential for maintaining operational efficiency and safety. Deck machinery like hatch covers, windlasses, cranes, fairleads, and rollers all have moving parts that are constantly exposed to salt water and harsh weather conditions. Regular greasing not only ensures smooth operation, but also extends the service life of these critical components and reduces the risk of accidents. So, where should you grease? Focus on key areas such as bearings, joints, pivots, and rollers. These are the target areas where friction can lead to wear and tear. When greasing, it's crucial to use the right grade of marine grease. Before applying, always clean the nozzle and zerk fitting to prevent contamination. Apply grease until you feel resistance and stop when clean grease begins to push out. Overfilling can lead to problems, so watch for signs of seepage or bulging seals, which indicate overgreasing. Documentation is another vital aspect of lubrication. According to IMO and class requirements, every lubrication task must be logged in the deck maintenance log or planned maintenance system, or PMS. Make sure to include the equipment name, date, and time of the greasing, the type of lubricant used, and the signature of the crew member who performed the task. Keeping accurate records not only ensures compliance, but also helps in tracking maintenance history. Always adhere to the manufacturer's greasing schedule. Some equipment may require daily checks, while others might only need weekly attention. After greasing, operate the machinery to ensure everything is functioning smoothly, without any binding or unusual noise. This proactive approach will help you catch potential issues before they escalate into costly repairs. In summary, effective greasing of deck machinery is a straightforward yet critical task. By following best practices, maintaining accurate logs, and adhering to manufacturer guidelines, you can keep your equipment in top shape and ensure safe operations on board.